Good morning, everyone. This is Taylor with Speech Eats, and welcome to a Dr. Seuss day. So what are we going to do? Green eggs and ham. Super easy, and it's a great way to incorporate language and feeding. What I like to do is I do this with my kids every year, where we read the book or read the book while we eat. We're actually doing this for a feeding group this week, and it's super easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our ham. Now, I'm actually not using ham. You're going to think this is weird, but I'm actually using Spam today. The reason why is, number one, it's in my fridge, but also it's softer and easier for kids to cook. So I have it right here, and we're gonna get started. Okay, so I've added in my Spam, and then what I added for my green component is spinach. Now the kids don't really taste the spinach, and it'll mix right into our eggs. Now, I'm also gonna add a little bit of food coloring to show you how you can get your kids involved. It's taking forever for my pan to heat up. And then, like I said, I did Spam because it's easier for kids to chew. Now, you could do regular ham, and then if you're going to do regular ham, I would really cut it up finely, especially for kids under the age of 4. And you can even mash this up. Look how easy it mashes up. So, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my eggs. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of pepper. Now, I'm doing scrambled eggs, and because I'm doing scrambled eggs, it's because it's more familiar to kids. So I just have some pepper and some salt. Now, you can have your kids get involved by adding the seasonings in. Having the mix is a great way to get them involved. I've also seen it where they do regular, just sunny side up eggs and adding the food coloring to the egg yolk. And you could do that too. The reason why I'm doing scrambled eggs is because it's one texture. Sometimes when kids have the sunny side up, there's the yellow yolk in the middle, and that could be a little bit aversive to some kids. What you could do to get kids involved with that yellow yolk is having toast on the side, letting them dip it in the yolk. Sometimes kids are more likely to try things with the yolk in it. And so then another way to have this fun, have kids add it, is adding just a little bit of green food coloring. Now, I've also done this without food coloring. I've blended the eggs in the blender with just some spinach itself and turned it green. Because it's the morning, that's super easy. We're just doing the food coloring. You could leave the food coloring out and just do the spinach if you want to keep it healthier. But yes, if you're using the food coloring, if you're doing seasoning, let your kids add it themselves. So we're going to go ahead and add this. So I'm going to add a little bit of pepper as well before I add my eggs in to make sure everything is seasoned. Now the Spam is also pretty salty, so I would go easy on the salt. Now we are going to add in our eggs. We're just going to mix that up and let it kind of sit, and that is our green eggs and ham. I'll show you what it looks like at the very end. Okay, our green eggs and ham are done, and it looks delicious. I think this is a great way to get your kids involved in both language and in feeding for Dr. Seuss's birthday. This is a great way to have them look at the book and then look at the food, talk about the pages on the book, and it's also really yummy. So this is Taylor with Speech Eats. I am on Instagram and on YouTube. And subscribe if you like what you see. Catch you guys later.